Hello everyone. So in last video we were discussing about the patterns with some colored boxes, designs among wall grills, etc. So now we are having leafy patterns now. As you can see here, using one leaf we can make different patterns. Now see these leafy patterns. As you can see here, first one. Okay, suppose this is the tail of leaf, this is the head of leaf. So in the series of pattern number 1, first leaf is tail upside, next tail downside, next again tail upside, tail downside, and last one again tail upside. Okay, so in second one, tail upside, in next tail has been turned towards right now, then again upside, again right, again upside. So in third one, the tail is towards left bottom, next top right, again next left bottom, top right, left bottom, top right. Okay, now coming to the next one, tail towards left, tail towards right, towards left, towards right, towards left, towards right. And the last one, tail towards right bottom, next left bottom, left top, sorry, right top, left top, right bottom and left bottom. Similarly, you can make some patterns with arrows. Now look at these patterns. As you can see in the first one, here there is a circle of reddish color, next greenish square, again reddish circle, greenish square. So here it will come reddish circle, next greenish square, and similarly next onwards. Here there are arrows towards up direction. All the arrows are in up direction, so here there will also be the arrows with up direction. Okay, now come to the next, third one. Here in first box there is one dot with pinkish color. In next one there are two dots. In which direction? It is diagonal direction, means the direction joining one corner to the other corner, to the directly opposite corner. So there are two dots. In third one there are three dots in diagonal direction. This one is the diagonal direction. Okay, again in fourth one again one dot. So here it will be two dots, one here and next here, means just similar to this one. Then in this box again three dots, 1, 2 and 3 pink dots. Similarly you can follow the other boxes also with the same pattern. Okay, next these two pattern boxes you can fill by yourself. Okay, coming to the last one, here there is a rectangle with brownish color. Next one is rectangle with two colors. On left side there is yellowish color, on top right side brownish color. Again next box again with only one color, which is brownish. Again fourth one is repetition of second one. So in fifth box there will be rectangle with brownish color. Sixth one again with two colors, bottom side yellow, top side brownish, and so on. Now see this worksheet here. Here it is written here, look at the patterns and draw the pictures that come next in each pattern. In first one there is a design, again it is copied. Next there is a sun. Next two are again the same designs. So now next one will be what? Here it will come sun, picture of sun. In this box again this design, right? In second one there are two arrows with direction towards upside. Next one, two arrows with direction towards downside. Next again two arrows upside, two arrows downside, two arrows upside. Next again there will be two arrows now downside. Next two arrows upside. Okay, similarly you can follow the third one. Now coming to the fourth one, there is a triangle. First one, in second image it has been rotated towards right. In third one it has been rotated again towards right. If this portion rotated towards right, then it will come to this position, means this one. Now if it is again rotated towards left now, then it will come to this position, means like this. Now again if it is rotated towards right, so it will come to this position, this one. So in this blank space, now the figure will be what? Again this one. Why? Because if this vertex will be rotated towards right, then it will come to this position, means like this. Then again the last box will be similar to this triangle. Okay, next is the fruits here. First one banana, then apple, then mango, then banana, then apple. Next one will be mango and again banana. So till now you have seen the patterns with designs, means sometimes rectangular shapes, sometimes circular shapes, sometimes fruits, sometimes grills, tiles, designs, etc. Right, now coming to the patterns with numbers. Let us look at some patterns with numbers. Fill the number in the blank space of each pattern. Okay, in first one here it is written 1. Next 3, 5, 7. So one thing you can observe here, that there is a gap between 2. Between 1 and 3 there is a difference of 2. Again between 3 and 5 difference is of 2. Similarly difference between 7 and 5 is of 2. So next number in green color box will become what? Again with difference of 2 between the number which will come in the green triangle and 7. So 7 plus 2 is 9. So here it will come 9 here. Okay, next this is spiral shape. First one is here 20, 30, 40, 50. So here you can see that there is a gap or difference of 10. 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 10, 40, 40 plus 10, 50. So at last here it will be 70 plus 10 equals to 80. Here it will come 80. Similarly you can solve this one also. 24 plus 3, 27, plus 3, 30, plus 3, 33, 36, then 39. Okay, this one you can solve by yourself. Next is T2 frog jumps over 2 numbers and reaches the third number. Where will T2 go next? Make a ring on the other numbers. Okay, as you can see here, there is a frog who is jumping from one number to the other number with a gap leaving 2 numbers. Means it is leaving 1 and 2 and jumping directly on 3. Then leaving 4 and 5, it is jumping directly on 6. So next it will jump on 9, leaving 7 and 8. Next it will jump on 12, next 15, next 18, next 21, 24, and so on. Okay, T2 jumps and gets on every 10th stone. Write the numbers on the stones. So here it has jumped over 10 numbers and comes to 28. So what will be the number on first stone? It will be 18, as 18 plus 10 equals to 28. Next 38 given here. Next, when it will jump over 10 numbers again, then it will come to the 48. Next 58, next 68, and the last one with 78. Now coming to next patterns. Here there is a box with different kind of series or patterns. First one is with letters or alphabets. There are two alphabets in first box, A, both in capital letters. Next B, both in capital letters. Next is C. So in next box it will come capital D. Next capital E, capital F. Similarly next onwards. Okay, coming on to the next. First box with AB, both in capital letters. Next CD, EF. So next it will be GH. Then IJ, KL, MN, OP. Next it is day. Next night. Next day. So here it will come night. And all the letters, all the alphabets of night will be in capital. Next again day, night, and so on. So the remaining you can try by yourself. Okay, now coming on to this series with numbers. Here it is 18, 21, 24. So what is the common feature here? As you can see, difference between 21 and 18 is 3. Again 21 plus 3, 24. So the next number in this series will be 27. Next 30, next 33, next 36, and the last 39. Okay, I'm coming on to this. First one is 5P. Here it is the combination of a number with the alphabet. Next is 6Q. So what is the feature here? First is number 5. Next box the number comes 6, just next to 5, and alphabet just next to P. Similarly, after 6 it comes 7, and after Q in alphabet series comes R. So 7R. So next it will be 8S, then 9T, and 10U, 11V, 12W. Okay, now see the last one, 40, 38 means difference of 2, and this is decreasing series, as the first number is bigger one, next one is smaller to that with difference of 2. Next 36. So next it will be 34, then 32, then 30, then 28, and the last 26.